Now that's cool. Hey, welcome to OSR Garage. I am gonna tell you about the most import travel accessory that you can buy. And we're gonna go see that right now. Hey, how you guys doing? What I've got today is the most important travel accessory that you can have for your EV. And this is for any EV, including Tesla, because they make one for it too. So I'm here at the Hampton Inn, and as you can see, they have a Tesla charger here. But I do not have a Tesla, I have a Volkswagen ID4. How do we fix this problem? We fix it with the most important travel accessory for an EV. So what I got here is a Tesla to J1772 adapter, and that way we can use Tesla's destination chargers at the local hotels. There are a lot more hotels that have Tesla chargers, and if you have one of these, then it makes it a lot easier to find a hotel. So let's take a look at how this works. Pull it out of the box. You can see, this is what it looks like. You've got the Tesla end goes in here, and then this plugs into your car. So let's do that right now. So we're gonna take the end right here. We've got your Tesla end here, got your Tesla charging plug. Stick it in there. There's a little button on the bottom. Press that up. It'll slide in. Locks in there. Real good, nice and tight. You want to wait about 30 seconds or so. Go over here, and you can see there's your door. Open that up just like that. You're going to, you gotta take the cord. Should have got a little bit closer, but you take the cord, stick it in there. It's gonna lock. As you can see, the light is lighting up. It's flashing, it's making a connection. Just heard the charger kick on, green light, and we are charging. All right, as you can see, we are charging off of the Tesla charger and our adapter. 32 miles per hour. Glad we have that. Makes it so much easier when you're searching for a hotel to try to find that. One thing I would suggest is getting the 48 amp one, because I believe the ID4s can take up to 48 amps, and the Tesla chargers go above that. You don't really want to put something smaller in between. So if the car will take 48, and say the Tesla destination charger is putting out 60, but your adapter in between is only a 40 or less, then now you've got high power going into low power and higher power trying to pull on the other side. There could be some problems. It could get pretty hot. Just be aware of that. I'm gonna have a link for this adapter down in my description. Also have a link for the J1772 to Tesla adapter for those Tesla owners, or if you have friends that are Tesla owners. And I hope you enjoy some of my other videos. We've got a playlist for the ID4 up here. We got another video for you up here. My subscribe button's right over there, and I will see you later.